Hey, what's going on, guys? Sports, and today I'm going to show you guys a quick tip for drifting that makes it sound really cool. So here it is. Like for any kind of bike, BMX is really preferred, and so I switched the tires so that I would have an older tire that I can actually tear up and stuff. So yeah, so basically you pump up the tire to a high PSI, go ride it, try to drift it, and if it doesn't, like, if the tires don't squeal and sound like this, then you just lower the PSI and until you get to the sweet spot. And then once you get to the sweet spot where it's kind of barely squealing, I would put some less air in it, and then yeah, and then you're basically going to be set, and then you can do some drifts like these. Enjoyed this video, and peace out.